Hello, it's Mrs. Reeves. I'm here today to talk to you about how to make s'mores, which is a really fun summer activity. So first we're going to gather the items we need. So we'll need wood for the fire, matches to light the fire, a stick to put your marshmallow on, marshmallows, graham crackers, or Hershey's chocolate. But I've seen that other people are starting to use other chocolates like Reese's peanut butter cups and Snickers and just any kind of chocolate that the marshmallow will melt. Step 1. Have an adult present to help you build a fire in a safe area. You're going to set the wood up and then have an adult light a fire with the matches. Step 2. Put a marshmallow or two on your stick. And then you're going to put the marshmallow above the fire but not in the fire. And then you're going to wait until the marshmallow is golden brown, or some people like it to be a little bit burnt. That's totally your preference. Step 3. Break the graham cracker in half, one half for the top and the other half for the bottom. Then you're going to break off a piece of the chocolate and place it on one of the pieces of graham cracker. We're almost going to be making like a sandwich. Step 3. Put your warm toasted marshmallow on the chocolate on one half of the graham cracker. Then you're going to put the other half of the graham cracker on top of the marshmallow, like I said, almost like a sandwich. And lastly, you're going to enjoy your s'mores.